Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. In this video, we're looking at a toys PowerPoint lesson. Let's check it out. As always, I begin my classes with a rules slide where we go over the rules, and I advise students if they follow the rules, then we get to watch a reward video. So this class is about toys, and it's aimed at the lower grades for primary and elementary schools in China. And we're going over first presentation. So what we'll do is we'll be doing a lot of TPR while we're repeating the words. So we'll be pretending to be dolls, we'll be pretending to bounce balls or go on a bicycle or to be cute like teddy bears, etc. And I actually use these as, I say they're Lego blocks, solely because in Chinese they know the word Lego, so it makes sense for them. And then we're going to do a comprehension exercise where I give them a selection of pictures, and I tell them it's a kite, and they have to tell me if it's 1, 2 or 3. So that one, remember they're really low grade, so first I'm just trying to get them to be able to identify what is what to begin with. And then we're going to talk about, well, what is a toy? So this one, I want them to identify and really understand the word toy. So here I've got a train, they know what a train is, but if I put the word toy in front of the train, then it becomes a toy train. It's something for a child to play with. So I use lots of basic comparisons. Train, toy train. Frog, toy frog. Duck, toy duck. Hamburger, toy hamburger. So hamburger, you eat a hamburger. I'll ask them if they eat a toy hamburger. They'll say no. So then I'll ask them what are the things they think could be a toy. So they'll point out a toy book and stuff, and it gets them to intermingle and interuse the language, and I think it really solidifies their ideas. Then we're going to go into a story. This story is about a dog, and he likes to play, and he's got a ball and he plays with the ball, and we read all of this together, and I'm going to ask them questions about what color it is and stuff like that. And then we're going to go into a song, and this song is to break up the lesson and get them standing up, moving around, dancing and singing. Then back from the song, we're actually going to go into another comprehension game. Here they've got the toys, and they just have to tell me what that is within a sentence. So the kids like their bikes or bicycles. The girl likes her dog. So you can get them to use the full sentence, or they can say just the individual word and then get them to repeat the whole sentence as a class. It's up to you. Moving on from that, there will be a hidden picture game. So this is a what is it? And I'll reveal different parts of the jigsaw, and they can tell me what they think that item, what that toy is. So this one is obviously a bicycle. So we've got the hidden picture, and they've practiced a little bit with their words, and now I've got a full screen of the different toys, and I'll ask them what they like. And notice I've added the S, so I really want them to practice and emphasize using the S, because it's one thing that they always find difficult, but it's really easy to use with like. So I like teddies, bicycles, balls, whatever. And sometimes I'll finish a class there, but if I've got some extra time, we're going to do a game which is about spelling. So we've got a toy train here, and they have to throw out the letter.
Good.
So what's the next letter?
Good. 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 Good.
And we've got a whole bunch of different words here, and then to finish the class I have a grid game where they tell me 2 balls, 1 doll, etc., and they get points for their team or not. And that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. And remember to check out the link below to download that PowerPoint lesson. Bye bye.